How to update drive.google.com. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can update drive.google.com. So let's start. First of all, go to any browser of your choice. Then after, search for drive.google.com and go to its official website. If you have not logged into your account, make sure to log into your account by entering the login details. After logging into your account and going to settings, you will not find any option to update Google Drive. That is because it is the official website of Google Drive and you don't have to update it. It gets updated to the latest version automatically. However, if you have downloaded the Google Drive application for your Windows by going to Get Drive for Desktop, then you might have to update the app if it is not on auto update. For that, you can simply go to Control Panel and then search for Google Drive. Then after, click on the three dots on the right side of Google Drive and you will get the option to search for updates. Click on search for updates, and if you find any available update, make sure to download it. So in this way, you can update drive.google.com. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.